Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use a digital wallet on Amazon. This feature allows you to securely store your payment information and check out faster every time you shop. Let's jump right in and get this set up for you. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in, you'll need to access your account settings. Look at the top right corner of the screen and hover your mouse over Account and Lists. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From there, click on Account to access your main account dashboard. Now that you're in your account settings, locate and click on Your Payments. This is where all your payment methods and digital wallet settings are stored. Amazon makes it easy to manage everything related to your purchases in one convenient spot. Once you're on the Your Payments page, you'll see all your currently saved payment options if you have any. To add a new payment method to your digital wallet, click on Add Payment Method. You'll be presented with several options for the type of payment you want to add. For this example, let's click on Add a Credit or Debit Card. This is one of the most common methods people use for their Amazon purchases. You'll now see a form where you need to enter your payment details. Type in your card number, the name on the card exactly as it appears, the expiration date, and the security code found on the back of your card. Make sure all this information is accurate to avoid any issues later. Once everything is filled in correctly, click Add Your Card. Amazon will verify this information and add it to your digital wallet for future use. Now that your payment method is saved, let's walk through how to use it when making a purchase. In the upper right toolbar, click on Cart. Alternatively, if you haven't added items yet, you can browse for your preferred product by using the search bar at the top of the page. Simply type in what you're looking for and select the item you want to purchase. Once you have items in your shopping cart and you're ready to proceed, take a moment to review everything. If you have multiple items and only want to purchase some of them, simply uncheck the box next to the items you don't want right now. Then click Proceed to Checkout. This will take you to the checkout page where you'll finalize your purchase. The next screen will ask you to select your delivery address. Choose the address where you want your items shipped. After confirming your address, you'll move to the payment section. Here's where your digital wallet comes into play. You'll see your saved payment method listed under the payment section. Select your saved payment method by clicking on it. Then click Use this payment method or the equivalent checkout button shown on your screen. This tells Amazon which card or payment option you want to use for this particular order. Finally, review all your order details one last time to make sure everything looks correct. When you're satisfied, click Place your order to finish. Your order will be processed and you'll receive a confirmation email shortly. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and used your digital wallet on Amazon, making future purchases quicker and more convenient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.